This poem is about me. The title of this poem is The Poet. The poet is a terrible grave. The poet is terrible grave. He is the bloody song of loss. No one knows if it is the poem or the voice or love or the time that dies between the one who cannot sing or who refuses to sing and who is not a singer. Yes, the poet is a terrible grave. Our life cannot be contained within the music. My beautiful poem goes to the cremation ground the moment it is born. After 100 years, when it returns with acclaim, there is no poet. The poem is endless, always.